Mark Golding, attorney, businessman, politician, and the current leader of the opposition. His story is not one of overnight rise, but of steady movement through Jamaica's legal, financial, and political institutions. Born in 1965 at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Golding was raised on the UWI campus in Mona St. Andrew, the son of two public servants. His father, Sir John Golding, was a pioneering orthopedic surgeon. His mother, Lady Patricia Golding, a British Jamaican civil servant, was instrumental in the development of rehabilitation services on the island. Those early years were shaped by political activism and progressive ideals. In his own words, the anti-apartheid movement and debates of the 1970s gave him a progressive orientation, one that would later define his political outlook. Educated at Campion College, Marlborough in the UK, and later Oxford University, Golding earned a first-class honours in law before returning home to attend Norman Manley Law School, where he graduated as the most outstanding student in his year. Admitted to the bar in 1990, Golding quickly built a reputation as a corporate attorney, but in 1993, he pivoted. Alongside Chris Derring and Peter Bunting, he co-founded Derring, Bunting and Golding, Jamaica's first private sector investment bank. The firm became a major force in Caribbean finance before being sold to Scotia Group in 2006. Golding later co-founded Proven Investments Limited, now listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. His move into politics came in 2007 when Portia Simsimilla appointed him to the Senate. By 2012, he was named Minister of Justice, where he helped pass 121 acts of parliament, among them the amendment to the Dangerous Drugs Act, which decriminalized small amounts of marijuana. In 2017, Golding was elected Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Southern. After the PNP's heavy loss in the 2020 general election, Golding contested and won the party's leadership, defeating Lisa Hanna in a notably civil and respectful campaign. Since then, he has worked to rebuild party unity while navigating a complex political landscape. Outside of public life, Golding has been married to his wife Sandra since 1990. The couple has 3 children. Despite his demanding schedule, he is described as a family man who keeps a low personal profile. What many don't know is that Golding also once had a foot in Jamaica's music scene. While at Oxford, he played in bands and in the 1990s co-founded Riverside Music, a small label that produced 3 albums, including Della Manley's debut, Ashes on the Windowsill. A passionate football fan, he now chairs Arnett Gardens Football Club and sees sport as an essential part of youth development and community empowerment. Today, Mark Golding's political focus is on rebuilding the PNP from the ground up, calling for deeper youth engagement, affiliate inclusion, and internal reform. Whether that strategy gains traction will depend not just on policy, but on trust, and how well he connects across generations and classes. Lawyer, investor, politician, music enthusiast, Mark Golding's story is still unfolding, grounded in tradition but shaped